So magbayad kayo ng 25. Ayan. Tapos may libre water na. Tapos may susundutin yung itong parang car. Ayan. Kasi bawal doon.
We are at Pandawan.
Ngayon, papunta na kami doon sa view na napakaganda, napaka-paradise. Ganda.
For the memories only.
So ayan guys. Sa Pandawa to ha, Pandawa. Ayan o.
Picture ko na memories na talaga.
Guys, so ayan. Yan ang kalaki. Pero maganda sana dun, no? Pag ganun, no? That's, it's good also if you don't have any people there, right?
Yeah, with the bits.
But a lot of people. That's
Makasih banyak, Pak ya.
ang ganda.